I'm Matthews. Today we're gonna show you how to put cooling fans in helmets. Alright, I'm going to plug it in and turn it on. You have the indicator, how much power you have. The exhaust is coming out from the top and the intake ports are both on the side. As you know, if you're sweating, heat rises up. So this is very important to have the exhaust fan on top of your head, which it takes out the hot air. The top, just add a piece of tape, get a pen and mark the holes you want to drill out for the fans. Okay, and then you want to do the side also the same way. For the intake ports, where you're going to place the fan, mark the holes, and what we're going to do is drill out these holes, and what that's going to do is the fan is going to draw the air into the helmet. And this is where the drill bit was punctured the styrofoam. So what I did is cut out where the mark was of the styrofoam so I could insert the fans. Wrap all the blacks together and then all the red together. I'm gonna put hot glue on it. Okay, on this part where you drill, you have to cut out the styrofoam for the air to go through. Okay, you want to notch. Cut out the styrofoam so the fan will sit in when you place it back.